In this guide, I'll show you how to fix analog stick drift on your Xbox controller. So the first thing you want to do is rotate the analog sticks clockwise, and once you've finished this, you want to press down on both the analog sticks. Now we're going to repeat this process, except we're going to go counterclockwise, and then you want to press down at the end. You can also repeat that process again by pressing down on the analog stick the entire time you're rotating it. Now you'll notice when you press the analog stick to one side, on the opposite side a little gap will form. So what you want to do with compressed air or electronic contact cleaner, or by simply blowing into the space, is you want to spray or blow into it in order to try to remove any dirt, dust, or debris buildup. Now in this example I'm using compressed air. Here's an example of using the electronic contact cleaner. Just be sure if you're using the electronic contact cleaner that you're rotating the analog sticks to ensure that's being spread out within the analog. So if you're still experiencing stick drift after completing the cleaning, you'll likely have to take apart your controller to give it a deep cleaning, or you may have to replace a part in it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.